Okay, so this mobilization is going to be for the calves. Now, when you're on the trail, the calves can take an absolute batter, and they are one of the key muscles that just do tend to get tight after hours and hours on the trail. And the issue here is when the calves are tight, it can really contribute to knee, ankle, and foot pain, which are all really major concerns for a hiker, and it's something you really want to be aware of. So, spending a little bit of time loosening this off and releasing this muscle can go a long way to avoiding long-term pain and relieving discomfort on the trail. Now, this mobilization, we're going to be using our water bottle. Alternatively, you can use a ball. It's just a little bit more aggressive and it's a little bit harder to control. But basically, really, really simple. You just grab your bottle, you're going to pop it underneath your calf, just above the knee. One foot's going to go on top and feel a bit of pressure. If you're really tight here, you might already feel a little bit of soreness. And if not, then we're going to do a little bit of rolling. So we're literally just going to be rolling up and down. Rolling with this. Now, if you want to be going all the way from the top of the calf down to the top of the Achilles here, so getting this whole section, what we can do is when we do find a hot spot, if you do find a little bit, you can do a few things. Again, big breaths in, big breaths out, put a little bit extra pressure on it. Number two, you can do a few little toe points and go up and down, up and down. And then number three, you can go side to side. So really grinding into that. You will be probably pretty tired here and you just want to keep on breathing through. Setting the calves is so important. Probably recommended to spend maybe 2 to 3 minutes on each side and do this every single day that you're on the trail.